Alright, hey everybody, Pack a Day back again, and today I thought we'd check out this pack of 2018 Topps Allen Ginter. But first, the card I wanted to show you is from Allen Ginter also. Now, I like Allen Ginter a lot. I know a lot of people don't like the random stuff that they put in there, but I actually like it. But I don't like the fact that they're considered hits. Like in the hobby boxes and stuff. Like, who cares if you get a American Ninja Warrior like t-shirt relic or whatever it is. But this one really stuck out to me, and it was very cool. I've had two major addictions in my life, and that is baseball and skateboarding. So I knew I had to get this one. And that is Rodney Mullen. And this is from 2019 Allen Ginter. This is the black border silver ink. It's numbered 14 of 25. Yeah, I just was very happy to get this one. Alright, so let's check out this pack of 18 Allen Ginter. Alright, first up, Bauer, Gurriel, Josh Donaldson, Fetty, got mini here, Indigenous Heroes, Joseph the Younger. And the last card is Magnificent Moons, Miranda. From Uranus, I'll say. Alright, well that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Put up a new video every day. Alright guys, thanks a lot. Take care.